So this is a demo of our binocular microscope. So here I'm just going to show you each item in the whole package. First, this is the microscope, the body. Next we have here the eyepiece head. That's here. Here we have the eyepieces. Now we have the first one here, which is 10x. We also have the other one, the 16x. Both comes in pairs. So both of these, the 10x, and both of these, the 16x. We have also in the package the power cable. So I'm going to set this up. Let's see how it works. First, we have the main body of our microscope. And this has the nose piece. We have the objective lenses. Now we have the 40x, which magnifies your specimen by 40 times. So the normal size of your specimen times 40. That's what this guy is going to do. We have the 10x, which magnifies by 10 times. We have the 4x, and we also have the 100x, which is the highest magnification power of our objective lenses. So I'm going to attach here our eyepiece head. So we take this off. We get the eyepiece head. We also take this off, and then carefully place this on here. And ensure that it sits well, and then with this knob here, ensure that it's tight and stable so it doesn't shake, so it's very stable. Now next, I'm going to install our eyepieces. So for the first, I'm going to use the 10x eyepiece. So that is it. And next, I'm going to take off the paper we have on our stage. So this is the stage, and also I'm going to take off the covering we have on our light source. So this is our light source. Now with this setup, we can power our microscope. This is a power cable. I'm just going to install this. So since we have our microscope all set up, you can power it on here, and once you do that, your light comes on, and with that you can have your sample on the stage and then do your necessary adjustments so that you can view your sample.